back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe it as it really means a lot to me. मेरे channel को subscribe definitely करना, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. In this video I am trying to copy her second look of Cannes. I have also done a video on her first look, so you can definitely check it. I will put the link in the description box. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been to Cannes for last 15 years. Guys, she is representing our country for last 15 years continuously, and I am totally a big fan of her. This is just a effort to copy her look, and if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I am starting my makeup with this serum which is from Lakme and named as Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum, and this is going to be my primer because it has got that silicone texture on which my foundation slides really easily, and it will also provide some kind of hydration to my face as I'll be applying you can say a matte foundation, so that's why I'm applying this. For my foundation, I'm using here the foundation which is from Loreal and named as Loreal Pro Matte Infallible Foundation, and it is in my shade which is 108. This is very nice foundation for oily skin. I totally love this foundation as it has got very nice coverage as well as very suitable for my skin type which is oily. So I'm just dotting it on my face. With the help of this brush which is PAC 265 brush, I'm just blending it onto my skin. In order to highlight my face, I'm using here the most trusted concealer, which is the Eyeshadow Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Yellow Corrector. This has a really nice undertone and it is very nice to highlight your face, and as you can see, like this foundation has got a pretty nice coverage, but just to highlight my face I'm using this concealer, and I'm just adding it on the center of my face. Now after applying it like this, I look sometimes like ghost, but this is how it applies. So, and now again to blend it I'm using this same very brush which is PAC 265. I'm blending it, keeping small strokes so as to avoid any harsh line of brushes. I prefer brushes over beauty blender sometimes because it provides you a coverage. And now to bake my face, I'm using here the baking powder which is from Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. I'm applying this baking powder with the help of this sponge. You can see the tip is very precise, so it will help me to cover the center inner corner of my eyes. So this has got a nice shape to bake my face. More quantity. I just want my center of the face to look more bright enough as per the picture, and Aishwarya, I have no words for her beauty. She is so beautiful, she's so damn beautiful, and the secondary look, her first look was so stunning. She's actually the beauty queen, I can say. And now I'm done with the baking as I have used that creamy consistency thing, so I'm applying this powder. It is the thumb rule for any makeup. If you're applying any creamy product on your face, on your eyes, go ahead to bake your face, to bake your eyes. It will not leave any kind of creases. So that's what I'm applying here, and I'm leaving it for good. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to contour my face with the help of this Eyeshadow Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So here again it is a cream contour, so this one contouring it, and she has got a nice chisel face. So I'm contouring it with the help of this concealer. Consistency, its texture is so good. I love this Eyeshadow Pro Concealer. And now with the help of this brush which is from Real Techniques Sculpting Face Brush. Now if you guys already know that Aishwarya has been to Cannes for last 15 years, guys, can you believe it? Like, she's truly a mega star. She's representing our country for last 15 years. It's a big thing, and it's also a proud thing for us. I've used that creamy bronze, so I'm applying this powder which is from Makeup Revolution Mono Eyeshadow in the shade Delicious. I'm just setting my contour. And now as I'm done with my contouring, I'm straightly jumping to my eyes, and now I'm going straight to my eyebrows. Her eyebrows were on fleek, so that's why I'm going to add. Here for the brows, I'm using here this Mist Clear pencil. And this eyebrow pencil has got this comb, so that's why I'm combing here to avoid any harsh line. I'm just following my natural hair growth. You can see I have made these brows a bit round as per the picture. So her brows were a bit rounded shape, that's why I'm trying to imitate that look, and I've created my eyebrows look more round. And it's a thumb rule for eyebrows application that the outer portion of your eyebrows should be a little darker than the inner one. So now jumping straight on my eyeshadows, I'm using here this palette which is from Makeup Revolution. I have chocolate palette, and using this brush which is from Pro Arte PE23. I'm just going on my lighter color brown on the crease of mine. Going on a fan motion and dusting off any of the extra. And do the same for my next eye. Circular motion on the outer V and then fan motion, circular motion, fan motion. Now for the inner part of my eyelids, I'm using here this palette which is Maybelline the Nudes palette, and taking this color which is a shimmery golden color. I'm just patting it on my eyelids with the help of my fingers. I think fingers are best when you're applying any shimmery colors on your eyelids. So that's why I'm taking here with the help of my fingertips. And I'm just patting it. As I have packed that color on my eyelids with the help of finger, I'm just blending it to avoid any harsh line. For my brow highlighting, I'm using here this color from the I Had Chocolate palette, and inner corner also. If you're thinking of I'm turning behind every time, so I have so much of things behind, that's why I'm turning behind and taking those products. And now for my eyeliner, I'm using here this liner which is Maybelline Gel Liner. Now this gel liner is really very pigmented and definitely it is smudge proof. And now as I've done with my eyes, so I'm dusting off all those powder which I've applied during baking of my face. And taking this color from this very same palette which is I Had Chocolate, I'm just adding a little of that lighter brown color on my lower lids. I'm just smudging a little color on my lower lids. What it will do, it will just define my eyes. And for my mascaras, I'm using here this Falsies mascara from Maybelline. Now if you are not someone who uses artificial lashes, false lashes, then you can definitely go ahead with this mascara. She is not giving any heavy blush, but just to add a nice healthy kind of pinky effect, I'm using this blush which is from Maybelline Cheeky Glow, and it is Peachy Sweetie. For my lipstick, I'm using here this Maybelline Colorshow, and it is in the shade Big Apple Red. Now lastly, I'm applying this Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Spray just to set all my makeup, and it will also help to avoid all those excess powder. It will absorb all those excess powder from my face. So I'm just taking, my face is taking a little shower in it. And I'm setting it with the help of this beauty spot. I'm talking about her final looks. Her final look is definitely incomplete without her hair, so I have just parted in the middle portion, and I'm just giving a little waviness to my hairs. You can also use those rollers and all, just I don't want to provide any heat right now to my hairs as they are chemically treated right now, so I'm not doing that. And just adding a little bit of shine to my hairs by this OGX Shimmery Keratin Oil. I'm just adding, my hairs are not taking showers in it, so it will just provide a shine to my hairs. You can definitely curl your hair using the big rollers or something. So this is how my looks turn on. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then guys, take care. I will see you guys in the next one.